Divines, welcome to Montauk Avenue, and I missed my Divines. Today I am making a lovely smoothie, as you can see in the title, an apple and mango smoothie. And this smoothie it's good for calcium and different things. I will be showing protein and different things, and I will be sure to put that information in the description. This will be my first time trying this smoothie with you. I'll put all the ingredients in the description. And I'm using some lovely coconut water. You know, summertime. I know when my son was little, I used to love to give him coconut water any moment I could. So today we are using coconut water. We're also using some apples, and I'm using some frozen mango. And I needed some sweetness. You can add some sweetness to this. So I'm throwing in some bananas, some small bananas, okay? And I chose radish greens, but I will put other tips for greens in the description as well. You don't have to use radish greens, of course. And I softened up some macadamia nuts really quickly using the hot method, but you can soak them overnight as well. And I'm using some chia seeds, and I didn't have cinnamon, so I'm using like this combination of cinnamon with other stuff, but you're welcome to use cinnamon in your recipe. So I'm going to go ahead and put the coconut water in. I'm going to go ahead and put the banana and the apple in, and the mango in. I'm going to go ahead and put the lovely radish greens in. I'm going to go ahead and put my macadamia nuts in. And I'm going to go ahead and put my chia seeds and my cinnamon mix in, and blend this lovely apple and mango smoothie up. Alright, and so I gave it some time to thicken up and everything, especially because I'm using the macadamia nuts. And so we're gonna try it. We are going to put our lovely apple and mango smoothie in. And remember, this has radish greens, so that has a lot of vitamin C, calcium, and protein. But you don't have to use radish greens. You can use something more milder, like romaine, I guess, as opposed to, you know, radish greens might have a little spice to it. You should see. Okay, so we're gonna try our lovely mango, apple, banana, chia seeds, cinnamon, coconut water, macadamia nuts, radish greens. Okay, let's try it. I like it. I like it. It's sweet. You can taste the sweetness from the apple and the bananas. And it's very light. It's very refreshing. I like it. And this is, I will put all of the information, like I said, in the description. As always, Divines, I miss y'all so much. And be sure to always check out my other videos, my smoothie and my juicing videos. And there will be plenty more videos for the summer. As always, I love my Divines. I miss y'all. Be true to yourself. Be well. Peace, Divines.